Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add a PNG frame on your picture or videos on CapCut. So you're going to want to find the picture first on Google, so like search up frame PNG and select the one you like, and download it and make sure it is a PNG file. Select the video and picture you want, and then to add in the frame, just go to overlay and then select add overlay and add in the frame you want. And then I'm just going to press add, and as you can see, the sort of middle part is like transparent, and I'm just going to add it to this picture. You can also like adjust the picture to fit the frame more, so select it and resize it. You can also rotate it a little, and for instance, as you can see, there's still some at the bottom. You can just go to edit and crop a little bit of the bottom, press the check mark button, and as you can see, it deletes the bottom of the picture. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!